Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: DVD system, quad seating, traction control, anti-lock braking system, navigation system, third row seat, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, home link garage door opener, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.